Alright, I've just taken delivery of a camera tripod. It's by K&F Concept. This is the box it came in. It's a 62-inch camera tripod by K&F Concept. Aluminium tripod, and there's a monopod on there as well, and a quick release plate. Now there's the bag. It came with a bag. It's a neat little bag as well. It's I like the bag. It's very so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open it quickly. What it is, I'm recording this using a smartphone, and obviously I'm holding the video camera and talking at the same time. I'm trying to get it out of the bag, but bear with me. Anyway, it's a professional tripod. As you can see, it's well wrapped up. It's yeah, it looks pretty cool. Like. It's very yeah, it looks very exactly as I thought it would be. It's got the instruction inside the plastic packaging. It's also got a shoulder strap inside as well, which you can connect to the, so you can carry over your shoulder. Yeah, nice, cool. It's oh, the bag. I think you'd be impressed with the bag. If you're looking for a tripod, and it comes with a carry bag, you'll definitely like this one. It's yeah, I like it already, and I've only just opened it. It's yeah, very thumbs up so far from what I've seen. It's got the name on the side as well. If I zoom in, you can see it there, K&F Concept. Yeah, it's a lovely bag. So the strap end, you'll click onto the side and carry it over your shoulder. It's yeah, very nice, very nice. So the tripod, like I say, it's a 62-inch tripod. Aluminium. You can take a monopod off it as well. It's got a quick release plate, a ball head, and compact travel carrying bag. For a DSLR camera, Nikon, Sony, whatever camera. And I've also took delivery of a smartphone holder as well, which will connect straight onto the tripod. So I ordered that at the same time, and I've also got a mount for a pair of binoculars, so I can connect that to the tripod as well, and use it for steady viewing, you know, long distance, or like the moon, looking at the moon, or astronomy, or you know, it's just a small clamp. So all this came together today. Anyway, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set the tripod up and give you my opinion of it, a review of it. So you'll be able to see that when I record the video. I'll post that up onto my channel, and you'll be able to see it. I'll give an honest opinion of the tripod, what I think of it. And if you want to see it, consider subscribing to my channel, because I'll be doing a lot more videos like this over the coming months. And if you subscribe, you'll get to see those videos, the notification, and you'll be able to see them. If you're looking for reviews like this on lots of different products, you'll be notified straight away, you know, as soon as I upload them. which is handy really if you're looking for unboxing reviews and things like that of lots of different products. Just like this one, you know, monopods, tripods, any techie stuff, power banks, cameras, torches, smartphones, tablets, the lot, you know. So you'll get notified about that. So consider subscribing if you're looking for videos like this. All right. So what I'll do now, I'll set this tripod up and give you my opinion, and you'll be able to see the mount on it, the binocular mount, the smartphone, and all that. And if you're looking for a tripod like this one, tune into my channel or tune into YouTube and check out the videos on there. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra now.